Online Manipur YouTube channel swing bir pemam pum nam ko mukha na taram nok seri han badiam na maru ipa pawam update thamjage Kukida Chana Thaknaba Potlam Pirambani Haiba Meeoi ama Makhongda Nongmeina Kaplanle Kukida Chana Thaknaba Potlam sing Pirambani Haiba Meeoi ama Sakhangdaba sing na Thobal district ki long PS na konba sing thom konanda Makhongda Nongmeina Kaplanle hairi Nongmeina Kaplanle Meeoi adu Bisnupur district ki kokta ward number 8 tagi Fisubam Hisamuddin Sahini Pu Apopalai Khidraba Azizur Rahmani Police ki paun hai thodoga sing arang nomidang pung panrom tabada masakhang da Meeoi sing gari amada Meeoi si purakla yet thangba khubom da Nongmeina Kaplanbani hairi soklaba Meeoi si hojik Lilong da laiba Nurul Hospital da lengli amorom da thodoga sing matang da social media da thadorok video amagi matung innadi kuki khulai paiba sing selfie raga makhoi pot che lauthok lausen tawbada mateng pangbagi marang da pot ka kona na sakhang da sing aduna phabani maram asina mangonda thokliba pamda thodoga sing Meeoi tai da so thoktana ba irang manung da sel gi damakta kuki da mateng pangbagi thabok sing leplasi haina Isamuddin masana appeal tawkhibani Mathang update asina Manipur to Haiba administration Lairo Haiba Amit Shah gi phirem amuk hanna khangalakre Manipur gi chief minister amadi council of minister khar ga handak nauna union home minister Amit Shah ga unakre unabadu do su Manipur gi ngamkhai da hongba amadi to Haiba administration pi bagi wafam Lairo Haiba Amit Shah gi wafam amuk hanna khangalakre Sagolban kendro gi MLA RK Imo namha ki Twitter da thakalakpa post amada hai handak chief minister amadi mahaki council of minister khar ga loina union home minister Amit Shah ga unakre amadi civil society organization gi mihut kangbu amaga so home minister ga unatuna Manipur gi matang du wafam kaya khanaki maduda union home minister na parliament thamki wafam adu hong bolai roi haina amuk hanna khanghal lakre hairi aduga mathangi update asina Assam Rifles seize Myanmar origin illegal liquor and the suspected contraband at Aina Surasanpur Mathang update asina Manipur police tagini search operation checking and recovery of arms and ammunition. Search operations were conducted by security force in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Bisnupur, Kaksing Thawal, Surasanpur and Imphal West district. Recovered 7 arms and 111 ammunition from Surasanpur district during the operations and recovered 1 arm and arrested 2 persons for possession of arms in Kangpokpi district during Naka. The 3 arms and the 105 ammunition looted from a house guard at Imphal West by unknown miscreants in the wee hours of 27/8/2023 were recovered by the state police after conducting special operations. A total of 127 Naka checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipuri, both in the hill and the valley, and the police detained 1405 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state.